Good morning. This is Mrs. Merrill, and today I wanted to make sure that you understood what is expected for our virtual day for March the 2nd. And so if you please look at your screen, you'll notice that I have listed what you need to work on as described in class yesterday. So number one, make sure that you complete the focus bell ringer on Google Classroom. Just look under the focus section, look for March the 2nd focus. Please make sure that you complete that on paper and have it ready to turn in to me when I see you on Thursday. The second thing you need to do is view the video on arc length. There is a 7-minute video for arc length explanation, and you can find that on our classroom under classwork and homework, and it'll be under, again, March 2nd. The third thing I want you to do is to complete the worksheet for arc length that I gave you in class yesterday. If you've lost your copy, then again, you can find it in the homework classwork section and under March 2nd. So you could always write your answers down on paper if you've lost the sheet. And then last of all, if you have any time left, I need you to continue to work on the tessellation. Remember, the tessellation is due on Friday. And on the screen, you'll see just some pictures of student tessellations that you want to aspire to be like. And remember, it has to be the same shape over and over again with no overlap and no spaces so that we have 360 degrees around every vertex in the shape. It needs to be colored. It needs to either with markers or crayons or color pencils. And if you don't have that, you can use them in my room when you come back on Thursday. And it needs to be something like an object or a shape that makes something. I don't just want a geometric shape. I want it to be something. So that's about it. I hope you enjoy your day, and I'll see you then on Thursday.